Be honest with yourself for a second. If trading was boring, if trading was placing one clean setup a day, walking away and collecting a consistent 3 to 4% a month, would you still do it? Most traders say yes, but their behavior says something completely different. Because the ones who claim they want consistency are the same ones that have 14 charts open, jumping between many different assets. They don't have a watch list. They have a dopamine rotation. They skip their A+ setup because the market isn't moving. Then 10 minutes later, they're chasing a B-grade setup on an asset they don't usually trade because the candle was moving quickly and they felt something. That feeling isn't intuition, it's addiction. The market is the most sophisticated slot machine ever built. Variable rewards, unpredictable timings, constant stimulation. And every time you enter a trade that wasn't part of your plan, your brain gets the same dopamine chemical response as a gambler on the slot machine. You're not chasing profits, you're chasing the rush of being in a position. This is why you struggle to sit on your hands in a slow session, and why you overtrade on a Friday, why you feel anxious when you're sitting flat. The traders who actually make money are the ones who are bored most of the time. They wait, they execute, they close the laptop. There's no story to tell, no screenshots to post, no drama. And that's exactly what most traders can't do. The calm version of trading doesn't feed the part of the brain that got hooked onto trading in the first place. If your screen time looks like a day trader, but your account balance looks like a gambler's, the strategy isn't the problem. The pattern driving your behavior is. Now, there are certain action steps that you can follow and certain tools you can implement to stabilize your psychology. And really, the part of the brain you're trying to stabilize is the amygdala, the subcortical parts of the brain. The amygdala wants to constantly avoid pain and seek after pleasure. It's the part of your brain that's reactive. It's the part of your brain that can't face a loss. And the moment you take a loss or you go into drawdown, it's the part of your brain that drives over trading, revenge trading, and impulsive trading. One of the things I consistently see with traders who finally get consistent profitability and they can manage larger amounts of capital and pull payouts at scale is that they have a way to manage their amygdala, the animal part of their brain. And a big part of this is identifying and managing the pleasures and the perceived rewards and the perceived outcome of a trade that feeds dopamine in the brain. Because that's what the amygdala becomes addicted to. Not winning and not profit, but how winning makes it feel, and the dopamine associated with winning, and all the things they think they're going to get as a result of winning. That's what the amygdala becomes attached to. And then the moment the market presents an inevitable loss part of your sample space, the amygdala has unmet expectations and it's incredibly disappointed, and then it goes out seeking revenge and overtrading as a way to cope with that state of dopamine deficiency, and it wants to make back immediately. And the only way it knows how to do that is to jump back into the market. But all of this is drama. All of this is seeking after the excitement of the market and using the market as a scapegoat to feed your own amygdala's desire for pleasure and addiction. The best traders don't focus on pleasure and pain in the market, winning and losing. They have a predefined edge, a trading plan that they've tested. They know their edge. They know their statistical edge. And they focus on managing themselves, being in the best possible state themselves, physiologically and psychologically, so that they can stick to that edge. And yes, of course, compared to the adrenaline high and dopamine rush you get from winning, sticking to your process as a trader is boring. And it can take some time to acclimatize to that boring state. But it's only boring if you're addicted to the high and to the adrenaline and to the pleasure and to the dopamine. When you start detaching from the dopamine and the pleasure and the adrenaline of those individual wins, and as a result, you also start detaching from the pain and the depression of the individual loss because they're actually entangled. And when you truly fall in love with the process as a trader of optimization and refinement and statistics and the actual technical components behind trading and the technical components behind your own psychology and your own performance and putting yourself into that proper state, when you fall in love with that process, then you become less of an animal, literal animal who seeks after the pleasure and tries to avoid pain, but you start thinking more like a professional and you treat your trading like a business and you focus on implementing the proven processes that help you have consistent profitability. which are having a proven edge laid out in a mechanical plan, knowing your entries, knowing your exits, knowing your risk management, having those clearly outlined, and then managing your psychology, the part of your psychology that is addicted to and attached to the pleasure of the individual win. That's what ultimately undermines your ability to have consistent profitability. Now, recently I've completely rebuilt my Bulletproof Your Trading Mindset tool. We're now at BPM 3.0, which is now powered by AI. I've integrated one of my AI tools, an AI dashboard called TellerX, where you're able to identify and uncover your own destructive patterns in real time and have the AI intervene. Now, the new BPM 3.0 training with TellerX is completely free. So if you haven't already signed up for that, go into the description in the first comment and sign up for that, watch the free training, and start tracking your own behavior using TellerX. It's gonna bring to surface your own destructive patterns in real time and help you intervene in real time so that you can stick to your trading plan. But this is the big challenge as a trader, being able to manage your addiction to the pleasure of the individual trade and being able to be more process-based. But I can assure you, I've seen this consistently, that the traders that are hooked into the fantasy of winning each individual trade, which is completely unrealistic. No trader wins every trade. But sometimes as traders, we're sold the fantasy that we can, and we hold on to that, we become attached to that, and we risk too much on each individual trade as a way to get all the things we want from the market on that individual trade. Those are the traders who ultimately blow up. They can't sustain their success because they're expecting themselves to do something that is not rooted in how the market actually operates. The market operates based on probabilities and statistics, meaning as a trader, if you want consistent profitability, you have to plan and prepare for both outcomes of the market, either a win or a loss. And having proper risk management and having the right expectations and managing the part of your brain that is addicted to pleasure in each individual trade is an essential component in order to have consistent profitability. So I really want you to ask yourself the question, be honest with your answer. Do you actually want consistent profitability? And are you willing to do what it takes to get that, which is also embracing the other side of the market? Or are you just attached to and addicted to the high of winning each individual trade and the drama and the chaos of the market, which seems like fun and stimulates a lot of adrenaline and cortisol and dopamine in the brain, but is actually what undermines your ability to have consistent profitability? The journey is slow, the journey is boring. Are you willing to embrace that boring journey in order to have your goal, or are you just addicted to the chaos of trading? If you're truly ready to embrace the boring part of trading and have consistent profitability, make sure you go into the description and download the free training, the BPM 3.0 AI-powered training. Start using it before every trade, and it will make a significant shift in your trading psychology.